water tank overspill stops. How we can stop? So today we're gonna talk about this. I have this water tank installed on my roof, and I want that when its water tank is full of water, then it stops automatically filling water and it stops draining our water outside. So how and what we can do? If you want to buy this item, you can purchase on link is given in the description below. So now what we need this ball tap or whatever we call it. I want to let you know from the package what it is called. I don't know what it is called. It's not taught about it on. Okay, so what the process and what the scenario? You have to install this one from over here. As you can check out, I'm showing you in my water tank. It's installed like this, and after that when we install it from over here, and when this will hang on the water in the water tank, and when it start filling the water tank, it will go up, and automatically when it go on this condition, it will stop filling water into your water tank, and that means your water tank is full. As you can check out over here, when I lift this ball, and this ball is closed, that means your tap from over here stops working. And as you can check out, my tank is already full and it stopped working. More water is not draining outside or not any kind of problem over there. So if you like this video and this idea, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.